In 2026, South Africa's air power is once again getting global attention, and this time it's not just about defense, it's about survival, modernization, and proving relevance in a rapidly evolving world of aerial warfare. For years, the South African Air Force has operated with limited resources, but now a renewed focus on fighter jet capability is putting the spotlight back on one of Africa's most advanced aviation forces. At the center of this story is the JAS 39 Gripen fighter jet, a multi-role aircraft that has been the backbone of South Africa's air defense for years. Originally acquired to give the country a technological edge, the Gripen remains one of the most capable jets on the African continent. But in 2026, the conversation is no longer just about having these jets, so it's about maintaining, upgrading, and actually keeping them in the sky. Over the past few years, budget constraints have grounded a significant portion of South Africa's fleet. Reports suggested that only a handful of Gripens were operational at any given time. This created serious concerns about national security, especially as global tensions rise and airspace protection becomes more critical than ever. But now, new developments indicate that South Africa is actively working to bring these jets back to full operational status. The 2026 update revolves around maintenance contracts, pilot training programs, and potential upgrade packages. The government has started allocating funds specifically aimed at restoring air combat readiness. This includes refurbishing engines, updating avionics systems, and ensuring that weapons systems are fully functional. These efforts are not just about fixing old problems, they are about preparing for future threats. One of the biggest advantages of the Gripen is its versatility. It can perform air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, and reconnaissance operations with equal efficiency. This makes it ideal for a country like South Africa, which needs a flexible and cost-effective solution rather than an overly expensive fifth-generation fighter. In 2026, there is also discussion about integrating newer missile systems and advanced radar upgrades, which could significantly boost the jet's combat performance. Another major focus is pilot readiness. A fighter jet is only as good as the person flying it, and South Africa is investing in training programs to ensure its pilots remain among the best in the region. This includes simulation-based training, joint exercises with allied nations, and increased flight hours. These steps are crucial because modern aerial combat requires not just skill, but also the ability to adapt quickly to new technologies and tactics. There are also rumors of potential partnerships with international defense companies. South Africa has a history of working with global aerospace firms, and 2026 could see new deals aimed at sustaining and possibly expanding the fighter jet fleet. While a completely new aircraft purchase seems unlikely due to financial constraints, upgrades and collaborations could provide a cost-effective way to stay competitive. What makes this situation even more interesting is the regional context. Africa is slowly becoming a more active player in military aviation. Countries like Egypt and Algeria are heavily investing in advanced fighter jets, including fourth and even fifth-generation platforms. This puts pressure on South Africa to maintain its position as a leading air power in the region. The modernization of its fighter jets is not just a national priority, it's a strategic necessity. Technology is another key part of the 2026 story. Modern fighter jets rely heavily on electronic warfare systems, data links, and network-centric operations. South Africa is reportedly exploring ways to enhance these capabilities within its existing fleet. This could include better communication systems, improved targeting accuracy, and stronger defenses against electronic threats. These upgrades may not be as visible as a brand new jet, but they are just as important in modern warfare. Maintenance infrastructure is also being improved. Keeping a fighter jet operational requires a complex support system, including skilled technicians, spare parts, and advanced diagnostic tools. South Africa is working to strengthen this backbone, ensuring that its jets are not only repaired quickly but also maintained efficiently over the long term. Despite these positive developments, challenges remain. Funding is still limited, and defense spending must compete with other national priorities. This means every decision has to be carefully planned and executed. There is little room for error, and any delay in upgrades or maintenance could impact overall readiness. However, there is a growing sense of determination within the defense community. The 2026 efforts show that South Africa is not willing to let its air force decline. Instead, it is choosing a path of gradual improvement, focusing on sustainability rather than rapid expansion. This approach may not grab headlines like massive fighter jet purchases, but it is a realistic and strategic way forward. Looking ahead, the future of South Africa's fighter jet program will depend on consistency. If the current efforts continue, the country could maintain a capable and modern air force well into the next decade. The Gripen, with the right upgrades, still has plenty of life left in it. And with proper planning, it can remain a powerful tool for national defense. In many ways, 2026 could be seen as a turning point. It's the year where South Africa moves from uncertainty to action, from grounded jets to operational readiness. The journey is far from over, but the direction is clear. For viewers and military enthusiasts, this story is a reminder that strength in modern warfare is not just about having the most advanced technology, it's about how effectively you use and maintain what you already have. South Africa's fighter jet program is proving that even with limited resources, smart decisions and strategic planning can make a big difference. As the year progresses, all eyes will be on how these plans unfold. Will the upgrades deliver the expected results? Will more jets return to the skies? And can South Africa secure its place as a leading air power in Africa once again? One thing is certain: the skies over South Africa are about to get a lot more active, and the world will be watching closely.